Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open your Instagram application on your phone. Then now you should go to your profile. You just have to click on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. And here in the following section, when I click on it, here as you can see, I have 20 following. This is not actually a big number, but let's say that I have more than 20 and I want to unfollow them. Now, what you should do in this case, you should now head to Instagram support itself and tell them exactly about your problem and tell them that you want to unfollow all the followings at once. So you have to click on these three horizontal lines. Then you should scroll down till you find here down below in this section more info and support. You just have to click on help, then click on report a problem. Now it will open this page. Now I will just toggle this option down below right here on and click on go back and shake phone. So now I'm gonna go back, go to the following, then shake the phone like this. Then it will show here this message. Click on report a problem, click on include and continue. And by this method, you just have taken a screenshot of your followers. Now you can tell them exactly what's your problem. You can express it yourself. So here in my case, I will tell them that, hello, please, I need you to unfollow all my followings at once. And by this method, when you click on send, they will help you do what you actually need and they will delete all of your followings once. Now, this might take a couple of minutes, a couple of hours, and even days, so you have to be patient. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.